Hello everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to create a Quora account. So first of all, open the Quora application. Here on the Quora homepage, you need to tap on sign up with email. To create an account, first of all, you need to provide a name. Type in your name over here and below type in the email address. Then tap on next on the top. For creating an account, you need to confirm your email address. So a code has been sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and look for the code. Tap open the Gmail. There's the mail from Quora. You tap open that. Now there's the code. You copy this code over here and paste it on this text box. Then tap on next. Now then, to finish up the process, you need to type in the password. And then tap on the checkbox I'm not a robot. Then tap on finish on the top right corner. Here you need to choose a 5 topics that you would like to see in your Quora feed. I'm just gonna randomly tap the 5 topic over here. Then tap on next. What other language do you know? If you know any other, you can tap on it and tap on done. And with that, you have created yourself a Quora account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.